Moukey, Moukey, Moukey. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Hey everybody. So, I'm testing out a new microphone for the first time, and I don't know how it works. Let me know. If you're interested, it's a Moukey MCM1 directional video camera microphone. Superb sound for audio and video recording. We'll see about that. Moukey. I like the name. It's a really dreary day outside, so I thought, what's good for a dreary day? Chili. Chili is good on a sunny day. Chili is good on a dreary day. I feel like Dr. Seuss could write a book about chili. I will eat chili on a dreary day. I will eat chili on a sunny day. I will eat chili here and there. I will eat chili with a Moukey microphone. Also, if you like this shirt, a friend of mine made this for me. I'll put a link to his site down below where you can order these shirts. Let's make something to eat. We are making some chili. You don't really need a lot of ingredients for chili. It's good to have meat. I like using grass-fed beef, an onion, a green pepper, optional, 1 jalapeno. Also optional, 2 jalapeno peppers. For me, necessary. A can or 2 of tomato sauce. You can usually go with a 16-ounce can, but I didn't have any, so I have 2 8-ounce cans. Some minced garlic. The best part about this chili is that it's going to be a Guinness Stout chili. We only need 1. You will use all of it, so no cheating. You can't have any of this. This is all for the chili. Yum. I'm going to show you guys what I have for seasonings. You don't ever need to buy those packets of chili sauce from the store. All that you need are these 3 ingredients right here. Cumin, chili powder, and cayenne if you like a little heat. Not necessary if you don't want a lot of heat. These 2 will cover it. Bonus items would be Italian seasoning, maybe a little bit of cinnamon. Extra bonus seasonings would be onion powder, turmeric, and coriander. But again, these 3, and really only these 2 if you like a mild chili, is all that you need. Alright, so I'm going to get started chopping some vegetables. This will go into fast forward here just so we can get past this part. There we go. You got 1 onion chopped up, ready to go. We're going to set this to the side. Now, we're going to chop up the jalapeno peppers. If you like a really good spicy hot chili, keep the seeds. If you don't, chuck the seeds. I like mine spicy. Cut it into wheels like this. You don't have to dice it, slice it up. Unless you're getting rid of the seeds, this is good. Just keep it like this. Alright, jalapeno peppers are all done. We're going to go ahead and set these to the side. I started right into the green peppers and I didn't even tell you what I was doing. We're going to chop up the green peppers into little chunks about that big. The thought just dawned on me. There might be a chance that the microphone isn't functioning the way that it should. If that's the case, then I'm going to have to dub over this recording if it's silent and maybe subtitle it at the same time, which makes me think about Kung Fu movies. Do you prefer Kung Fu films dubbed or subtitled? Does it depend on how many Guinness Stouts you've had? Let me know down in the comments below. Green pepper, cubed, check. Put it off to the side. Alright, we're just about ready to start cooking. We're ready to start cooking. So we're going to start off with a little bit of olive oil in the pan. Brand new bottle. I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons down in the pan. We're going to start her up, and we want to go with about a medium-high heat. Nothing more than that. Maybe even a little bit less. Low and slow is good depending on what kind of burner you have. And now we're ready for a little sizzle. We're going to drop in our onions. About 2 to 3 minutes. What we're going to do is just sweat them. While this is going, this is a good opportunity to open up your tomato sauce cans, have them ready to go. Open up the Guinness. But you might want to hold off on the Guinness, because if you open it now, you'll be tempted to drink some of it now. So you might want to wait. I'm just kidding. That's good sizzle. Alright, our onions are good and sweaty. So we're going in with the packet of beef. Now, I like to use grass-fed beef. It's better for you. The animals have been better taken care of. The cows have eaten grass instead of weird things that they don't normally eat in nature. So I like grass-fed beef. Better for you. You could also use turkey or ground chicken if you prefer that, or veggie crumbles as well too if you prefer a vegetarian chili. Nothing wrong with that. And this is where the work comes in. You're going to need to really mind this. You're going to want to break up all of these chunks of meat. Oops, didn't mean to go off screen there. See, I'm paying attention. That's a good thing. So you want to break up all of these chunks of meat and keep doing that so all of the meat cooks evenly. So I'm just going to keep doing this until I get everything nice and brown. It'll take about 7 to 10 minutes at a medium to medium-high heat. You know, if you hadn't thought about it yet, now is also probably a good time to think of what kind of side dish that you want to go with your chili. I like rice, personally, so I've got 2 cups of rice going in the rice cooker. Another really good favorite of mine to put as a base down on the bottom of the chili, which you don't need anything at the bottom of the chili. You can just put chili on top of the chili, and that's good too. But I also like crispy crowns or tater tots. Those take about 20 to 30 minutes to cook. So it's best to just wait until the end, until this is all done and it's simmering and all the juices are mixing together to start doing any kind of crispy crowns or tater tots. Rice takes a little bit of time, so I've started some rice now to go with mine. What do you like on your chili? Do you like chips? Chili? More chili? Let me know down in the comments below. Alright guys, we're about to start with the next set of ingredients. It's mostly brown right now. It's done most of the work. So I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of minced garlic to this. I like a lot of garlic in my chili, so I usually go heavy with the minced garlic. As far as measuring out the seasonings, which is the next step, I go with a lot of the chili powder, medium amount of the cumin, and a little of the cayenne pepper. And if you picture a ramekin with this, you fill it with about 1/3 of the chili powder. I just guesstimate because I've done this so many times. Did you see how many shakes I did? Cumin, same thing. Here. There you can see about how much chili powder I used. You can do more or less to taste. And here with the cumin, you can see how much of the cumin I added. It helps that they're different colors. and the cayenne pepper. This will make you sneeze if you're too close to it. Alright, and with the others, just a little dash of each. So a little dash of cinnamon, a little onion powder, if you want. You don't have to use any of these. I just like to use these to add a little flavor. Some turmeric, some ground coriander, and a little Italian seasoning. And I'm going to give this a stir. Now we're on the last step. Believe it or not, all the rest of the ingredients that we have left to put in go in now. Green peppers, almost all of the jalapeno peppers. I like to leave a few to put in at the very end. Tomato sauce. You won't get all of it out of the cans, but that's okay, because you can actually take the beer and pour it into the can to give it a swish around. To get all that leftover tomato sauce. Give it a stir. Oh, I wish you could smell this right now. Look at that. I'm going to let that sit and simmer for a while. While that's going, I start working on any other kind of side dishes that I'm going to have with this. Make sure to stir it. You got to come back and check it to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan and get burnt. Keep an eye on the temperature. Turn it down if you need to. Like the beholder. Keep an eye on it all the time. Okay, update. I turned it down to low because it was bubbling up quite a bit. You can put it on low at about this point, let it simmer. This is also a good time to add salt to taste. So however much salt you want, maybe a little bit of pepper as well too is good. And I made a mistake. I forgot one of the seasonings that's also good to add, but it's not necessary, is paprika. If you can get a smoked paprika, that's also really good too. Better look at the shirt. Isn't it awesome? The time has come. The chili is ready. I've put rice at the bottom of the bowl. I have my big boy spoon. And I put a little bit of cilantro and some cheese curds to top it off. If you're curious about the cheese curds, you can find these in Maine. Cheddar cheese curd from Pineland Farms, made right here in our beautiful state. Let's dig in. Got to get the perfect bite with a little bit of rice. Maybe a little bit of cheese. Look at that. The smoke rising off of it tells me that I want to wait a second before biting into this. Okay, I've waited long enough. Mmm. It is so good. That Guinness just adds so much flavor to the chili. It was super good. There you have it. An easy, spicy, hearty bowl of chili to warm yourself up on a cold day, a rainy day, a gloomy day. Deliciousness is in the eye, no, in the mouth of the beholder. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to hit subscribe. Ring the bell for notifications so you can get more about this channel. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day. I'm sweating. don't know if you can see or not. It's like I'm on bowl 4. It's really good. I'm eating. Right now? But I'm eating. Okay.